Remove wrinkles under the eyes and dark circles quickly with this amazing home remedy. This simple remedy only includes 2 ingredients, but will bring an amazing result for your skin around your eyes. Remove dark circles, remove wrinkles under your eyes are the things this remedy will do for you. Your eyes are the key to youth. When it comes to restoring a youthful look, your eyes are your greatest opportunity. However, the skin around the eyes is incredibly delicate, so it is very easy to appear wrinkles. Wrinkles under the eyes can be caused by natural collagen loss due to aging, but some of our habits also make it appear, such as rubbing your eyes, not moisturizing, or not getting enough sleep. Therefore, the remedy that we share today will help in treating wrinkles under your eyes and provide a young-looking skin within no time. This is a natural remedy that will save you from any side effects and repair the damage to rejuvenate the skin. Before starting the recipe, please tell us your age and the country you are living in the comment section. We will rely on this information and give you the most effective wrinkle removal following your age and using ingredients available in your country. Then click the subscribe button and turn on the beside little notification bell to won't miss our next videos. To start, turmeric powder is the first ingredient you need to prepare. Anti-aging curcumin, a major component of turmeric, has strong antioxidant properties that inhibit free radical production and hence controls aging by protecting cells from damage. Turmeric also helps stimulate new cell growth. Moreover, with brightening properties, turmeric also minimizes dark circles, which bring you an instant glow. Take a clean bowl and add a quarter of a teaspoon of turmeric powder into this bowl. The next ingredient is buttermilk. Buttermilk contains alpha-hydroxy acid and lactic acid. Both acids in buttermilk help exfoliate and lighten skin pigment. Lactic acid can increase the healing process of the skin and give a smooth texture to your skin. Lactic acid and alpha-hydroxy acids are used in most beauty products designed to get rid of dark marks and spots related to aging. Add 2 teaspoons of buttermilk into the turmeric powder bowl. Now, use a spoon and mix all the ingredients well. Make sure you have a smooth paste. Here's how to use this mixture to remove wrinkles under the eyes and dark circles. Before going to bed, wash your face with warm water before applying this remedy. Then apply this paste on your under-eye area skin. Massage gently and leave it on for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash it off with lukewarm water, then with cool water to tighten pores. Apply this regularly 2 to 3 times a week for the best result.